Hello everyone. I hope your learning spirit is high today since we are going to start with our new chapter that is long and short. So let's get started. We begin the chapter with this small incident. We all know Akbar Birbal stories, right? Birbal was a minister in Akbar's court who was very smart. Now he is told by the king if he can make the king's line shorter without erasing it. What does Birbal do? Birbal simply makes a line that is longer than Akbar's line. So naturally Akbar's line becomes shorter. Now we are told to do the same with Birbal's line. We have to make a longer line than Birbal, but we can't erase it. So we will just make a line which is longer than Birbal, which makes Birbal's line shorter. Okay? Now, these are some exercises you can try at your homes. Let's proceed further. Now, this girl Jhumpa read that the tallest human in the world has a height of 272 centimeter. She also says that it is the double of Jhumpa's height. So, what do we know about Jhumpa's height? We will simply divide 272 by 2 because we need to find the half of 272, that is 136. So 136 centimeter is the height of Jhumpa. In other words, if we double 136, we will get 272. Clear? These are again few exercises you can try at home. I will just give you some guidelines as to how to go about. So, who is the tallest in your family? So, suppose it is your mom, okay? Hypothetically. Who is the shortest in your family? Suppose it is you, okay? Now, what is the difference between their heights? So, for example, mom's height is 272 again, and your height is 100. I don't know, I'm just taking random numbers. We just have to subtract this height with this height, the shorter height. So tall minus short, we will get the difference and we will write the difference over here. Okay, try this exercise at home. So next we have this inter-school sports meet in which our first event is racing. Here we are given that there are three girls. This is Arundhati, this is Rehana, and this is Uma or Konkana. Okay, because we are given two names. Okay, we are not sure of it. So Arundhati is the nearest to the finishing line. She is 6 meters from the finishing line. Now, our first question is how far is Rehana from Arundhati? These are our options. Rehana from Arundhati. So let us see the options. 3 meters. Okay, we can consider that. 6 meters. This is 6 meters. We don't find this 6 meters, right? Only by looking at it, we can see that these two distances are not the same. So no. 10 meters, no. 15 meters, no. So this is approximately 3 meters. Okay. How far ahead is Rehana from Konkana and Uma? So we just have to find this. Okay. Now, okay, these are the two girls. Okay, I'm really sorry. They were not visible earlier. So now this is 6 meters. This is 3 meters. This is definitely more than 3 meters. Okay, so this is not 3. It can be 6, 10 and 15 have a less of possibility. So we will go for 6 meters. right? Just by looking at it, we don't have to do anything. Now, how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? This is 6 meters, this is 3 meters, so 9, and this is 6 meters, right? So 15 meters in total. 6 plus 6 plus 3. I hope I'm clear. Now, next, so we all know that 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half a kilometer or 0.5 kilometer. In a 15-meter race, people run how many kilometers? So 1000 meters is 1 kilometer, right? And 500 meter is 0.5 kilometers. So 1.5 kilometer in total, right? 1000 plus 500. We break it that way. Okay, clear? Now, in a 3000 meters race, people run how many kilometer? Similarly, we do the same thing. We know 1500 meter, we have 1.5 kilometer, and again 1500 1.5 kilometer. We add, we have 3000 over here. We add, we have 3 over here, right? So 3 kilometers. I hope I'm making sense. Just divide the number according to the information you have. Okay, continuing the questions. We have heard about marathon races in which people run 40 kilometers. The stadium length is 400 meters, therefore they don't run in stadiums. 10 rounds of stadium track is how many kilometers? So 400 meters into 10, 4000 meters, right? So 4 kilometer, easy. Now, if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete how many rounds? So we have it over here. So 4 kilometer in 10 rounds, 1 kilometer in 5 by 2 rounds. We take 4 over here. So 40 kilometers in 5 by 2 into 40, that is 100 rounds. I hope I'm clear. Now the next event is long jump. Okay. Now we are given this information, and based on that we have to answer these questions. So I have simplified the data over here. How long are Gurjeet and Gopi's jump? We have these answers. Try and see how far you can jump. Okay, you need to try that. Okay, so these are the activities you can try at home. Again, let us answer these questions. So our first question is, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? High jump, men, world record is 2 meter 45 centimeter, and Chandrapal has 2 meter 17 centimeter. How many more centimeters should he jump? We will obviously subtract, so we will have 28 centimeters more. Okay, next. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? How many centimeters more? 9, right? 9 centimeters more. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, half meter equals to 50 centimeter. Okay. Now, the next question is, Galina's long jump is nearly, Galina's long jump is 7 meters 52 centimeters. It is nearly 7 meters and half meters. 7.5 meters, sorry. So 7.5. So it is almost equal, right? Next, look at the women's world record. What is the difference between longest jump and highest jump? So I have written over here, sorry, this one. Okay. So what is the difference between them? The answer is 5 meter 43 centimeter. Okay. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be 9 meters. Okay, so 5 centimeters more, right? Because he has jumped 8 meter 95 centimeters. So 5 centimeters more. Okay. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? That means 2.5 meters. We have our answer as Xavier because he has 2.45 and we need 2.50. So close enough, right? Next. Okay, so there the next event is running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day. So he took one round of this field. How far did he run? 500, 500, 1 kilometer, 500, 500, 2 kilometers, right? So he ran 2 kilometers. Okay. The field was very far, so he chose a park nearby. It is 400 meters long. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? The answer will be 5 rounds. Okay. You can simply add and see. One day the weather was very good and cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. That day he ran how many kilometers and how many meters? So this is the calculation for this step. You can see five five rounds, 2000 meter, one round 400 meter. So 8 rounds, 400 into 8, 3200 meter. That is 3 kilometers and 200 meters. Now let us attempt these questions. So now the first question. So the first question is: so both goes 24 kilometers to Kozhikode. It is a place in South India, and Manjini goes 46 kilometers to Thalassery. How far is Kozhikode from Thalassery? 24 plus 46, we have 70 kilometers. The next question, we are given this information which I have simplified over here. So we will add everything, the total distance, moment covers. We will get 940 meters. Is it more than 1 kilometer? No, because 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. So it is definitely less than 1000 meters. So it is less than 1 kilometer. That is it for chapter 4. Keep revising, keep practicing. Thank you.